Welcome to the future of retail. Welcome to PackageHold by Digilock. With PackageHold, your customers get safe and secure on-site package pickup. They place their order online, and once it's ready, receive a text or email notification to come pick it up. Once at your store, their custom-generated code unlocks their PackageHold locker, keeping your system updated every step of the way. It's fulfillment made simple, but with the added assurance from Digilock's 40 years of securing personal storage. You'll enjoy increased efficiency, secure delivery, 24/7 support, easy integration, fully customizable solutions from a highly intelligent system, and increased sales opportunities as online buyers browse your brick and mortar. And your customers, they get peace of mind and probably a few extra minutes in their day. Safe, sound, secure. PackageHold by Digilock. Together, we can shape the future of retail.